welcome back. I am Jordan. We are here today to open some pin mail. I have 5 of the new 2025 Hidden Disney pin packs to open, and oddly enough, these are my first ever Hidden Disney pin packs ever. I am still a baby pin collector, but this is what the new 2025 pouch looks like. We have the 25-year anniversary emblem up at the top, and this one is the Disneyland bag. You have the Disney D up at the top, and then the blue castle on the iconic silver bag. Baymax, would you like to be in the video? Hi, hello, thank you. You want to give me good luck for some pins? Are these gonna be good pins? Are they good luck? The cool thing about the Hidden Disney packs is that they come in a set of 6 individual pin collections. Each one is selected at random and there are 2 pins per bag, so you really have no idea what you're gonna get. The Disneyland pins have the 25-year anniversary emblem pins, the Mickey ear hat pins, castle pins, Disneyland Ds, the pink storyline, which is my absolute favorite, and the Goofy set. I do already have 3 pins from the pink set from a very sweet, sweet friend of mine, Olivia. She's on Instagram as Liv's Pin Life. We have Aurora, Minnie Mouse, and Morphe is so cute. She was able to snag all of these when they were still on the boards in the parks and not available in the pin packs. That's the real fun part of the Hidden Disney pins, is that it's kind of like a really big scavenger hunt. They'll announce the pins at the beginning of the year, and then they'll scatter them throughout the parks, either on cast member lanyards or on the pin boards in the stores and at the rides, and you just have to know what you're looking for and you have to hunt them down. But the chasers will only live in the sealed bags. It has been an absolute frenzy since these were released. I think Disneyland has sold out like 2 or 3 times now, but I have 5 of them to open and I'm really excited to see what we get. Looking at them now, obviously I want to complete the pink set, so I need Angel and Piglet. But side note, I did buy Piglet from another pin friend of mine, so if I don't get him here, I still have him coming. And Bing Bong, he is the chaser. I think the D pins are really cute. And that's kind of it. I know my daughter would really like the ear hats. I don't care for the Goofy pins. The 25-year ones are cute. I would love the Snow White one and Hatbox, which is the chaser, but I love anything Snow White right now because of the movie. I thought that that was really cute. But other than that, I have a feeling we're going to be getting a lot of traders today, which is fantastic. I love traders. It's always good to have. But if we can snag some chasers in these pins, I'm all for it. You can't really feel the shape of the pin from the outside, but I think once we get to the little black bags, I'll have a better idea. I have noticed that these come in a pattern. More likely than not, the pink pins go with the Disney Ds, the ear hats go with the castles, and Goofy goes with the 25-year anniversary pins. Okay, bag number 1, Lucky Taps, Lucky Taps. All right, let's see. This one feels like a Goofy almost. And this one, yeah, feels like the 25 emblem. All right, let's do this one first. Let's guess. I think this one's gonna be Snow White out of the bag. And we have, oh, it's a D. I was way off. Oh, how cute. Okay, so we have a Lumiere D. So then that means that this one could very well be a pink pin. Okay, feeling it. I'm guessing Piglet, maybe. That's what I'm gonna go for. Oh. We have Aurora. Cutie. We do already have her. We'll go ahead and put these guys up here. Bag 2. Is this another D? I don't know. Okay, it's a D or it's an ear hat. It's ears. Oh, Cheshire Cat. Oh my gosh, and he's pink. Okay, the pinks are a little bit off, but very cute. Okay, So ears go with castles, if our theory is correct, and it looks like it is. And this castle is the Mickey ear hat. Wait a minute. I'm pretty sure that this one's a chaser. Oh, how fun. Okay. Okay. 2 bags down. 3 more to go. All right, let's feel. This one feels like Goofy. This one's pretty bulbous, so I think this is going to be our first 25. No, this is another D. This is a D. Okay, let's do D. Yep. Which D is it? Oh, come on. Oh, another Lumiere. Our first duplicate. So does that mean that we have another Aurora? I think it does. Yep, there she is. Look how pretty. Okay, so we have 2 Aurora, 2 Lumiere, Cheshire, and a Chaser. 2 more to go. Let's do this one. Okay, is this another D? Oh my god, I think it is. Did we get all of the D's and the pink ones? Anna! Oh, this one is so cute. Love her. Okay. Okay, so does that mean that we have another pink one? This is just full of pink pulls. Unfortunately, I still am missing Angel and Piglet and the Chaser, and this one is Morph. Oh, I love him so much, but we do already have Morph. Okay, last bag. Let's see what we can get. Oh my god, is it another? I don't know if this is a D. I can't tell. It is. The odds that we got almost all D bags and pink pins. Oh, Beryl! This one is so cute. I've seen this one online a lot, and at first I didn't really care for him, but my Halloween heart, I love. Okay, so then last pin. Oh, I don't think that it's going to be Bing Bong. I think that it's Piglet. Because it's pretty little. And it is! Hi, Piglet! Oh, how fun! Even though we did not get Bing Bong, we still got some amazing pins, and we did get a Chaser. These pins are a little bit on the smaller side, but the detail is absolutely incredible. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up, but like even the princess's face, they're so small, but they're damn near perfect. If you're looking to trade, and especially if you have a Bing Bong, I might have something for you. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like videos like these, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll put my face right here. If you click that button, it'll take you right to my channel.